Let us see the adaptations in the plants found in the plains. Okay, now what are plains? Plains are large areas of flat land and are the most fertile regions on the earth. Fertile regions means more nutrients in the soil, right, which helps the plant to grow. So fertile soil always helps plants to grow, right? It has more nutrients, therefore it helps plants to grow. So plains are the areas which are large, they are flat, and they are the most fertile regions on the earth. Therefore a large variety of plants grow here. You'll find many variety of plants growing on these regions. Okay, most plants that grow in the plains have many branches. So the adaptations, will see the features of the plants is that they have many branches and they also have the capability to survive temperature variation. They can survive temperature variation. What do you mean by temperature variation? That is different kind of temperatures. Okay, be it hot, be it cold, be it more rain, be it less rain, anything. Okay, so the plants growing in the plains, they have many branches and they can survive temperature variations. These plants and trees, they survive temperature variations by shedding their leaves. First, they shed their leaves when there is unfavorable season. Okay, if the season is not favorable, if it's not good for them, if it doesn't favor them, then they shed their leaves and new leaves sprout in season with more conducive condition. When the conditions are good, when there is good rainfall, then the leaves of the trees, they start to sprout. Okay, so how do they survive temperature variations? See, if the temperature is not favorable, they shed their leaves, and when the conditions are conducive, when it's in their favor, when there is appropriate rainfall, the new leaves start to sprout. Okay, for example, we'll see one example, oak trees. Okay, so oak trees, they lose their leaves in autumn and they regrow in the spring. Similarly, teak trees lose their leaves during dry summers and get new leaves during the monsoon. Okay, so in this way they survive temperature variation. That most of the trees found in the plains have big and broad leaves. They have big and broad leaves. The large size of the leaves, what does it do? It allows lot of water to evaporate during the process of transpiration. I have told you what is transpiration. Transpiration is process of water loss. Okay, water loses through the leaves. So they have large leaves, they have broad leaves that allows lot of water to evaporate. Then trees and plants found in plains include, some of the examples of the trees or plants found are banyan tree, mango tree, sal, peepal, gulmohar, etc. Okay, so plains, they are large areas of flat land. They are the most fertile regions. Therefore large variety of plants are found here. Most plants that grow in this region have many branches and they can survive temperature variation. They can survive temperature variation by shedding their leaves during unfavorable season, and when the season is favorable for them, they start to sprout new leaves. Okay, examples we have seen: oak trees, how they lose leaves in autumn and regrow in spring. Similarly, teak trees lose their leaves during dry summer and get new leaves during the monsoon. So look here, some examples: mango tree, banyan tree, gulmohar tree. Okay.